All right, guys. So I want to walk you through how to log out of your Instagram account. So to do this pretty easy process, obviously we need to start by opening up our Instagram. And the first page that we're going to see is this home page. Now to get to the menu, we actually have to open up our profile. You can see this is my profile here. At the very top, you have the hamburger menu or the three lines. We're going to open that up. And then inside of this menu, we're just going to scroll all the way down to the very bottom. And the last option here is log out. We're going to select which accounts we're going to log out of. So on this phone, I have all of these different accounts. So if I want to log out of all of them, I'll just make sure they're all selected. For this instance, let's just log out of one. I'm going to hit log out. And now I have been logged out of that account. So you have to go through the whole login process to get back in, which is what we want. And that is all we have. So hope this helps. If it does, if you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye.